plastic.
That's what I mean.
I don't think that thing was meant for this car.
No, I don't think either.
She'll be on the road soon. Mark's just got to get apparently a radiator. That's coming in soon.
A little bit.
Yeah, I thought that.
Look how much it moves.
Yeah, no, that's why I was...
That's in first.
Yeah, that's in first.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
you're gonna fuck your synchros. Why are you shifting without putting the clutch in?
Over time, it does fuck it up. It actually didn't sound too bad when Dickers revved it that one.
Remember Dan from JSR Cars?
Oh,
these?
dude.
Imagine Mark straight pipe this thing.
I forgot. Yeah, the black one.
Yeah.
That thing was sick. If yeah, Mark straight pipes, I think that'd be fucking dope. Well, hopefully the Beamer will be on the road within the next like week or two. But Mark literally has everything, like license plates and everything.
Could be on the road probably tomorrow. Tomorrow or the next day?
Well, when's your radiator come in?
Tomorrow.
Oh, already?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, I thought you meant like you just ordered it today or something.
You did. Oh, yeah.
But it's already coming in. Holy fuck. Where'd you order it off of?
Mechanic I ordered it.
Oh, okay.
3 days later.
Damn, that exhaust though. What's up?
My good old radio. My radio.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I have no radio.
Actually?
No. I'm fucking tech player. I'm fucking player.
So how's it driving this thing, Mark? Yeah, so this is the BMW we picked up last June with Mark, the white one. I picked up in like, where did we even go again? Do you remember? It was like somewhere like...
it was past... It was not in Toronto. It was like where...
Brantford or Markham or something?
It's like out, like Hamilton, and then you go past Hamilton.
Did we go?
I don't know, fucking nowhere. Middle of nowhere. And it was like a weird little town.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yes, now I remember.
I need to get the alignment fixed too.
Yeah, alignment, and then definitely needs a shift knob. Didn't Connor say you bought one, but it's thought
underneath you. Right here.
Holy shit, that have to be sick as fuck using this thing. Honestly, that'd be fucking sick though. I'm usually not into those big, huge like the knobs. It's kind of like a sequential, like how those are and stuff. What's the?
Put the steering wheel on. Then you get the adapter and a shift knob.
So
and I'll probably end up putting that shifter eventually.
True. So shift knob. Mark's gonna get a quick release steering wheel because well, he doesn't have to worry about buttons in the steering wheel and shit. I mean, I technically could get one too.
Or need more. Works.
It works. There you go. And then probably. What are you gonna do? Straight pipe this bitch or? Probably. Honestly, that'd probably be sick. It actually like it's when you were sitting in my driveway, like it sounds like the exhaust is like pretty chattery and stuff. Nice Mustang. What year is this one again? 95 or is it 94? 94. Jeez.
Cool.
Yeah. Well, how old was the one that we got 2 years ago?
I think that was in 06.
06, and that one was that one was 10 times worse condition than this one was.
Yeah, the shifter or even the clutch pedal was broke.
Oh my god, that clutch was fucked on that car, man. Like
this car, like, because it's a cable, it actually hurts your feet, like when you're pressing it, because it's like you have to keep your foot at a certain point.
Probably gets a good calf workout or something.
It hurts
yeah.
After a while.
Is this a 5-speed or a 4-speed?
5-speed.
5-speed. Okay, fuck. So
it's not bad.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Fifth, I haven't even put it into.
Okay. Yeah, you probably don't
really haven't tried to go on the highway or anything. And because 5 is like over and up, kind of.
What's reverse all the way up and to the left?
No, yeah, it's up, up to the right.
Up to the right. Okay. It's definitely got a little bit of a give to it and stuff too. Okay.
All right, press it in. It's like right at the top.
Man, I gotta get used to it. Oh, that actually wasn't that bad. I was actually that was better than the last time I drove your old Beamer.
No,
fuck, bro, you sit so close, man.
Yeah, I know.
How do you move this?
It's the top one, or like the middle, like the top, or the front one. The front one you pull back. Yeah, I do sit fucking close.
Okay, I think that's...
Drive it on the road.
Drive it on the road? Okay.
Yeah. Don't drive it that fast, because the front's gonna do what it does.
What do you mean? What does that mean?
Start squealing. Because these tires are probably old as fuck.
Perfect drift spares, man. Dude, that's so, oh my god.
It's pretty easy.
That, holy shit.
It's pretty easy.
This is like almost as good as my car. Like shifting, like it doesn't like, maybe it's just, I'm like.
It's gonna, yeah.
Maybe I'm just getting.
Oh, I need to get gas.
Oh fuck, alright.
We're on low.
We're gonna go Petro or something?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go Petro.
I'll go to the one on, oh fuck, we might be wide because we're going. You think we'll make it?
I want you to turn around and go to the other one.
Do you want me to go? Okay.
Yeah. I don't know what this gets. I don't want to figure out.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to use fucking straight on the side of the road and shit. Okay. I'll turn in here and shit.
Do I have a can, but I don't feel like walking all the way.
Try to fucking run that shit. That's not bad.
It's not that hard to rev match in this car. It's actually really easy.
No, honestly, it is super easy. The only thing I remember, like people always say,
except you gotta put it in first sometimes because this thing will start like.
Oh, like it bogs and shit.
Yeah, it bogs in second. Yeah, without a shift knob, it's the most.
Yeah, no, this feels weird, but I'm like getting it for some reason. Like
second, pulling it down is annoying.
I felt the chirp there. This thing revs up high though. Maybe,
Yeah.
Unless it's just me. Oh, because you're only at 7,000 to rev, or 6,500 is your rev. Blech, your rev limiter.
It's fun.
Oh, you got the check engine light on. Come on, be a Volkswagen. It's
This thing always like turns it on, turns it off.
Oh, like,
it goes
does
away.
Does it go on and off sometimes?
Yeah,
Oh,
I think
really?
it's just how if you drive it angrily or
See, dude,
thing, it
the
just
one
turns
time
on.
that happened in the rendezvous, I think it was like, I think it was maybe I think it was my second year of like driving it fully. I remember I was ripping it down like line or concession, whatever the fuck it was, and I remember the check engine light was on, and I was like pinning it, and the check engine light logo like blinked a bunch of times, and it went off. I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, I don't know how that happened. I heard a little bit there.
So wake up.
Get on.
Yeah.
No, but honestly, this drives 10 times better.
Yeah. No, I
than the
just.
first one. Like it's still coming back to me. Like
This car drives like you
Oh,
and
yeah.
Connor drove it yesterday. We were like, this thing drives pretty good. It like soaks up bumps.
yeah, like I don't. It's way better than my car. Fucking sucks. You
Yeah.
feel like this is so comfy. Like if it was in my car, I'd be like bouncing and shit around because like it doesn't take bumps that the greatest and stuff, and like it literally.
Try to put it in fifth. I haven't tried to put it in fifth.
Try to fit. Okay.
You missed fifth. Fifth's over.
Oh shit. There we go. Okay, that's good. I thought it was over more because
It's like here, like over, and it's like reverse. Reverse is the bitchiest gear to put it in. Because you gotta push it over and push it in the dash.
right.
Like push it over into the dash. Remember the last time I was always trying to put it in
I was
reverse?
like, I can't get it in there.
Yeah, no, it feels like it slips out, but
Yeah.
it doesn't slip out.
You gonna put 94 in it? Race car life. Gotta get the, you gotta do, you gotta get the gas fill up picture. So shout out to this BMW's got the same fast, I've seen that on a 370Z, a Hyundai Genesis, and sometimes it was like some Audi or whatever, like last summer. So at least you can know fast FC wheels, they're popular on Euro cars too. Get it, homie. When Doug Ford closes the gym, make the public your gym. All right, let's see if he stalls getting out of my driveway. Mark said hey, what's up, cats? He said he was thinking of, oh yeah, you're solid, Mark. I think it looks pretty clean. What do you think, cats? Looks sick, right? Alright guys, that was a fun little rip in Mark's car, so super happy that Mark got his Beamer out finally, so now we can finally go for rips with it, and I think Connor gets his car out in like just a little under a week now, I think, so soon we'll have all of our cars out, and then we'll go take some like, pictures of our cars and shit, do some like cruising and whatnot. Hopefully we can all go to some car meets soon, and hopefully that you know, the summer's totally fucked for us, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next video.
Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this line is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and zoom, zoom, I'm racing. Popping pills in the lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is hating. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live life on my knees, ain't no